Yeah, I'm excited for this. When you reached out to me, I was like, let's
do
do this. I'm so down for
Yeah.
this because people need to know, especially all the business owners out there, or even if you're not a business owner, if you're just work in the service industry and you need people to see you, people to know who you are, people to know you through word of mouth.
Even a promoter,
Yeah.
trying to build your brand, you got a book,
Whatever it is, whatever you're doing, social media works.
And building your personal brand.
Yes.
Yeah.
100%. At first, it was just people laughing at me or laughing with me, whatever you want to take it. Either way, they watched it. It got some traction from that, and then from there, when I saw people started to take to that sock, I was like, I'm gonna start posting my socks every day. It was just the randomest things.
Yeah,
it's like I said, people don't care about insurance, but I turned it into something fun and corny, if you will, but
I mean, it works.
It works. It works. People like the socks now. People almost every time I see somebody, they're like, "What socks are you wearing today?"
Really?
Yeah.
That's interesting. I like that a lot.
So it's like I'm the sock guy now. So
it's just your little niche.
It was just a funny thing that came up to me. Maybe somebody else did it and I saw it. I don't know, but it just came to me and I was like,
"That's interesting.
Let's do it."
I had a consultation with a potential client the other day, and it's a cleaning company. Most boring thing ever.
It's like, what are you gonna do, right?
And she's like, "What do I do? I'm trying to start this business, and it's out of state. She's got no idea what to do with content." I'm like, provide value.
Yeah.
Teach people about cleaning.
Right.
I don't know how good you are at cleaning, but I suck.
Yeah, I do too.
Educate the public. You got to remember, 99.9% of the people don't know cleaning inside out. Like
right.
You do.
Right.
You're a realtor, insurance broker, whatever it is. You live and breathe it.
Yeah.
Videography. But everyone outside of that have no idea what you're talking about.
Correct.
So you can start very basic. And I was like, teach people.
Yeah.
How to clean the toilet properly. How do you clean the bathroom properly? What's a good product? What's a bad product?
Agreed.
How to clean up dog fur.
Yeah.
What product's good for your kids? What products? It doesn't matter.
Right. As long as just give them some kind of value.
It's interesting.
And it's like
top of mind.
Always. 100%.
If someone's going to use someone, they're going to use you.
Right. And like I said, it's like it's not always ask. It's you give them some value, and sometimes it's that value that they provide. They'll come back to you and say, "Oh, that was a great tip. How do I learn more about that?" Or how do I?
Yeah. Or they might recommend you to someone else.
Right.
For that.
Right. 100%.
Or it might take, like we talked about before, it might take a year of providing value.
Yes.
And then they're like, "Hey, now I need you."
Yes.
Or now I'm going to recommend
you. Yes. Since the last time we talked, which was a month ago, a little less than a month ago, I've already had 3 or 4 people that have reached out to me that I know they've been following me for years, but I just didn't think they would ever call me for insurance. Okay. One of the bigger food people out here that are taking off on social media, and they've got a great following. And I was like, man, if only I could get in there, And this morning she called me and says, "Hey, I've been following you for quite some time. I know you do insurance." Yes, I do. It's like the best feeling, and I was like, yes. That's just the start. That's just the one.
And then what comes to my mind is the skin that you put on it.
Yeah. 100%.
Hey, I'm thinking about doing this.
Yes.
Or this. I just talked to this person. We're thinking about putting this on
the
front.
And I mean, and get your people involved in that process if you'd like. Let's say
you like this one or this one.
Yeah, it's like give them options. Like your graphic designer is going to do the design. It's like, hey, throw them out there and say, what do you guys think? Let's get the people involved. That way, you're starting to build your following. Something as simple as your menu creation. If you already don't have a menu and you're creating your menu as you go, make a video of whatever you're making.
It could be in the kitchen in your house.
It could be in the kitchen in your house. Yes. There are some people out there that I do seeing it and I love it. And I tell them,
what are they doing exactly?
They're just making recipes at their home, and there's like you can tell it's made in their house.
How cool is that?
And it's like,
and you feel part of the journey.
Right.
Relate,
yes. And if I feel like that, I'm sure everybody else that watches it feels like that too. It dodoesn't matter, if you're from the culture or not. And especially if you're not from the culture, tell the people why you're doing it.
More of a unique story,
yes, right? And I'm
If I'm
100%.
cooking Japanese food, like, why is this white a stranger? I just love sushi or whatever it is, right?
Yeah. So what is like?
What about mistakes? Like showing you mistakes.
I do it all the time too.
I just cooked this dish and it just didn't work.
Yeah. Why not?
I gotta go back to
people do the bloopers all the time.
Yeah,
it's like you're doing a blooper reel. It's like, hey, I blooped up on this one on my food.
And that's probably the most relatable thing you can do, right?
Yep.
As far as like that connection.
Yes, 100%.
Showing humility, showing you're human.
Yeah.
You make mistakes. It's not a perfect journey.
It's not. It's not. And speaking about not being perfect, you post your bloopers. If you don't, I mean, cool. I mean, if you don't feel like it, that's fine. And if you're afraid about people thinking that you're open right now, make your post and just in all caps, make sure you put some arrows to it and say coming soon, not open, so people don't think that you're. Some people are afraid of that, and some people are afraid of that. I was like, well, what if they think I'm open right now? Just let them know you're not, and just put coming soon. Or make a video.
It looks like in 5 months' time we're going to be open. 5 months' time, like, hey, we're behind schedule.
Yes,
it's going to be enough. It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
That's the relatability.
Yeah, and
we made this mistake that put us back 2 months.
Exactly.
It is what it is.
It is what it is, or whatever the case may be. Just document every single step of what you're doing, especially if you're a business owner.
It's your journey, right?
It's your journey. You're taking the people along with you on that journey, so people can relate more to you, and you build a following.